Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience.
I just had a cleaning and checkup with Dr. Yang. Everything went 100% smoothly. The front desk staff was friendly and welcoming. The waiting area is clean and comfortable with a nice assortment of reading material even though my wait was pretty short. After the assistant called me back to the exam rooms, there was no wasted time. Quick x-rays and then Dr. Yang provided a checkup and cleaning. He was very efficient, but also thorough and personable. I give this office 5 stars, without hesitation.
So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.